Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class I gave some questions as the assignment, that is the homework. Now in the today's class, first I will sort that assignment questions. See that questions, the first one, for the matrix A is given, it is of order 3 by 3. Show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0, and hence find A inverse. Means with the help of that equation we have to find A inverse. So in the solution, first we don't know how to find a cube directly. That's why first we are finding a square. A square means a into a. So this is 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. And again one more same matrix 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. See, it is both are square matrices of order 3 by 3. You know that multiplication, first row with first column, that is first element into first element plus second element into plus second element plus third element into third element. Like that, first row with first column, then first row with second column, then first row with the third column. Like that, multiply second row with all the columns. Next, third row with first column, third row with second column, then third row with third column. 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 plus 9. Yes. Now simplify that. 4, 2, 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancels. This is plus 3 minus 3 get cancels. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 8 minus 14. 7 minus 3 and it is 14. So this is what? This is a square. Now we have to find a cube. So for that, a square into a cube is equal to a square into a. A square just I calculated 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14. Then A. A is a given matrix 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Again as usual multiplication. So first row with first column, in that first element into first element. Already you are familiar. Understood? So this is how we are writing. First row, seven plus 9. Now write on the calculated value. 4 plus 2 plus 2 8. Then it is 7. This is 1. So like that remaining. This is minus 23. Then next one is the 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13 and 58. This is a cube. Correct. Now after this we have to write the LHS. A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i. We have to write the LHS. After writing LHS, substitute all the values. A cube 871 minus 23 27 minus 69 32 minus 13 58 minus 6 as it is a square. A square we calculated here. 421 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 plus 5a. A is a given matrix. 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 plus 11 I. I is what? Identity matrix, and in this problem we have to take of order 3. So this is the first step. After calculating a square, a cube, we have to write the LHS and substitute all the values. Next, first determine matrix I kept as it is. Eight, 7, 1 minus 23, 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13, 58. Then minus I kept as it is. I took just 6 inside the matrix, multiplied each term by 6. That is 24, 12, 6. Then minus 18, 48. Then minus 84. Then 42 minus 18, 84. Then take 5 inside. That means each term is multiplied with 5. 5, 5, 5. 5, 10 minus 15. 10 minus 5, 15. After that, each number is multiplied with 11. So, understood? So, I took this matrix and this matrix. Why? Because after this it is a plus and this is plus. So I am taking plus 8 plus 5 plus 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. Then 7 plus 5 plus 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. Then 1 plus 5, that is 6. Like that, wherever I marked this line, this symbol, I took that 3 matrices and I am adding, I kept the second one as it is. So the next number is minus 18, 48, minus 84. Next 42, 32 plus 10, that is 42. Next minus 13, minus 5, that is minus 18. Then 84. So now I am writing the second matrix. 24, 12, 6 minus 18, 48 minus 84, 42 minus 18, 84. See, these two matrices are exactly same. Only thing, this is plus and this is minus. That means A minus A, like that. 24 minus 24 is 0. See the remaining elements. 12 minus 12 is 0. So that means you are getting all the elements as a 0. So that is 0. That is nothing but RHS. That means what you proved? We proved that A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0. We proved this. So with the help of this equation, we have to find A inverse. For that, you have to remember this result. What is that result? A into A inverse, or A inverse into A is equal to I. The meaning is any matrix with its inverse gives identity. Next, A into I into A is equal to A. That means any matrix with its identity gives same matrix. Then A inverse into I is equal to I into A inverse is equal to A inverse. We have to remember this. Now when you are finding the inverse, so write down this equation 1. Consider a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. See, the question is with the, and hence means with the help of this equation we have to find a inverse. For that, multiplying each term by a inverse. That means on both the sides we have to multiply by a inverse. So then how you write? This is a inverse into a cube minus 6 a inverse into a square plus 5 a inverse into a plus 11 I a inverse into I is equal to 0. Because here 0 into a inverse is 0. Now a inverse, a cube I am writing as a into a square minus 6 a inverse into a square I am splitting. Now see what is a inverse into a? A inverse into a is I plus 5i and plus a inverse into I. A inverse into I is a inverse is equal to 0. Here a inverse into a is I. This is also I. I into a square is a square. Yes. This is what we got the equation. Now we got a square, a inverse. So with the help of this we have to find a inverse. Keep 11 a inverse on left side as it is, the remaining term on right side. Now and write down that values. A square already we calculated. Plus 6 a is given. I is the identity matrix. Yes. Here I took minus inside. And here I took 6 inside. And next I took 5 inside. Now as usual, simplification. Is it simple or what? Yes. Eleven a inverse is equal to, write down all the first elements, minus 4 plus 6 minus 5. Next, minus 2 plus 6 plus 0. Minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Like that, simplify the remaining. This is what 11 A inverse. Therefore, A inverse is equal to, take 11 on right side. 1 by 11. So this is what we are getting by A inverse. This is one question. Now I am moving to the next one. I think this you feel easy because just addition, subtraction, multiplication, only that much. Moving to the next question. If A is equal to homework question, if A is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2, verify that A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I is equal to 0, and hence find A inverse. So even though we solved a similar question, I will solve this also, because when the students, if you already solved, just compare your answer with whatever the solution I am giving. So in the solution, first what you will do, we have to go for A square, that is A into A. Just multiply. Because already you are familiar. First row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column. Then second row with first column. Second row with second column. Second row with third column. Then third row with first column. Third row with second column. Third row with third column. Now simplify this. 6 minus 5, 5. Minus 5, 6 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 6. This is A square. Now we are going to A cube. A cube is A square into A. A square we calculated. 6 minus 5, 5. Minus 5, 6 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 6. Then A is given. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Just normal multiplication of matrices. Into 2, 12, that is 12 plus 5 plus 5. First row with first column, first row with the second column. Second row with first column, second row with second column, second row with the third column, then third row with first column, third row with the second column, third row with the third column. then simplify. So this is A cube. Now write on the left side. Consider LHS. A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I. Write on that values. A cube 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 6 A square, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 plus 9A. A is 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 4. I is identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Next step. First matrix as it is 22 minus 21 21 minus 21 22 minus 21 21 minus 21 22 minus as it is took 6 inside 36 minus 30 30 minus 30 36 minus 30 30 minus 30 36 plus 9 inside 18 minus 9 9 minus 9 18 minus 9 9 minus 9 18 plus minus as it is 4 inside 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Yes. Now simplify this. So 22 minus 16 is how much? 22 minus 16 is minus 14. Just I am solving first two matrices, then second two. It is minus 14, 9, minus 9, minus 21, minus into minus plus like that. 9 minus 14, 9, minus 9, 9, minus 14. Taking first and second matrices. Taking third and fourth. 18 minus 4 is, middle plus is there, remember. 18 minus 4 is 14. Minus 9 minus 0 is minus 9 and it is plus 9. And it is minus 9. 18 minus 4 is 14. Minus 9 minus 0 is minus 9. This is 9 minus 9 and it is 14. See, these two matrices are same. It is minus 14 and it is plus 14. What it is? 0. This is 9 plus into minus is minus. That is nothing but 9 minus 9 0. So like that the remaining terms are also 0. So all the elements are 0. Your answer is 0. That is nothing but RHS. It completes the one part. Now with the help of the equation, with this equation we have to find the inverse. So for that only I told you, you have to remember this result. That's why I kept the result as it is. Now I am writing the left side. Sorry, not left side, I am writing whole equation. With the help of that equation we have to find the inverse. And these type of questions are important for 5 marks in part D. So with the help of that equation already we solved. Write on that. Consider the LHS. Sorry, consider not LHS, whole equation. A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I is equal to 0. and the question is find A inverse, means you have to remember this result, and now we have to multiply each term by A inverse. That is A inverse into A cube minus 6 A inverse into A square plus 9 A inverse into A minus 4 A inverse into I is equal to 0. Why 0? 0 into anything is 0 only. This I am splitting as A square minus 6 A inverse into A plus what is A inverse into A? See, I minus A inverse into I is A inverse. Here A inverse into A is I. This A square as it is minus A inverse into A is I. Next, I into A square is A square. This is A. Yes. After this, I am taking minus 4A on that side. If you take minus 4A inverse on that side, become plus. Yes, this we got. Now write down A square value. What is A square? 6 minus 5, 5. Minus 5, 6 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 6. Minus 6. A is the given matrix. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 2. Plus 9. I is the identity matrix. So here 4A inverse as it is, A square as it is, 6 minus 5, 5, minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6. Minus I kept as it is, I took 6 inside the matrix. 12 minus 6, 6, minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 12. Plus 9 I took inside the matrix. 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9. Yes. Now simplify. This is 4 into A inverse is equal to first element 6 minus 12 plus 9. 6 minus 12 plus 9 is how much? 3. Minus 5 minus into minus plus 6. Minus 5 plus 6 is 1. 5 minus 6, 0. That is minus 1. Similarly, solve all the elements. You will get like this. So this is what? This is nothing but 4 into A inverse. But our question is only A inverse. Understood? Our question is only A inverse. If you take 4 on that side, then how you write? So A inverse is equal to 1 by 4. 3, 1 minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3. This is how we are finding inverse with the help of the given equation. So in the next class again I will give you the assignment questions only. So till that make perfect in these equations, in these problems.